Have you ever wondered how some birds defy the limits of flight? Meet the Great Frigatebird, an avian marvel with a wingspan reaching up to 8 feet. These birds are known for their astonishing ability to stay aloft for weeks, using air currents to glide effortlessly across the oceans. They depend on wind, rarely flapping their wings, showcasing an endurance unmatched by other bird species. During breeding, males inflate their red throat pouches, creating a striking visual spectacle to attract mates. Despite these incredible features, the species faces threats from pollution and climate change, urging immediate conservation efforts to protect these masters of the sky.